Hello. Hello, hello. Nandito kami ngayon sa Gold City. Namimili kami ng gold. Kasi, nakabonus kami. Early bonus. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung magkano ang halaga ng gold. Ang daming tao, oy.
Saan ba tayo no? Gimas?
Gimas, oo. Ito si Jamie. Ay, wala siya. Hello. Hi. Oy, you're here. I'm okay. Come.
Ito nga.
Dito yung madam ko, oh.
Hey.
How much now? It's bra? 21?
45.
Oh my God. 45 daw.
Oh, very good. Amiga, so will buy.
Yesterday it's only 43. Now it's 45.
So much.
And the 22, how much?
22, 48.
And the
22.48.
18K.
18K, 38.5.
Mababa lang ang ano. Pero grabe pa rin. Ang taas. Grabe. Patingin mo muna dito sa akin, Imi.
Wala na.
Ano, nakabidyo ka ba?
Oo, ah.
Wala.
Bumili yung madam ko ng ano, ng gold niya. Maka-bonus kasi.
Reward to myself.
Tingin. Ayan, oh. Magkano to, May?
250.
250. Mga ano na to sa atin? 40,000. 21K. Ayan siya.
How much my balance?
Your balance is 220.
May ano na to.
Ano, option ka na?
Kung noon siguro, ano lang ito. Mga 150 lang.
Third,
Grabe. Ang mahal.
5.
Bayagi bas discount ha, 1 BD for shawarma.
Eh, for shawarma.
Gold price high है ना?
Yeah. So,
So it's already in good price.
yeah, because that is layaway, no?
Yeah.
So, give us discount ha. 1 BD for shawarma, baya.
Give me one dinner back.
Mm-mm.
I'll buy shawarma. I didn't eat my...
Where's the boss? Hi, bossing.
Sefika. Sefik.
You check 220.
Discount 1 BD for shawarma.
Falcon yung discount na.
Yeah.
49
We are good customer.
220.
I will like it.
Yeah.
Now gold price very high here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but that's why the best price. This much price not get now.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why we asked what you call this
You are
discount.
okay. That's it. Okay.
Huh?
Good price sir.
Yeah, 1 BD discount for shawarma. Oy, we're asking for shawarma. Oy.
He will give you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. How's the sale? How's the sale? Okay? No, okay.
No.
No, okay. Because too much high, no?
I've got my
Ito.
bonus today, that's why.
Okay.
Sana all my bonus. Her boss, give
Give
her
me this
money.
one.
That one also you want?
Yeah, of course.
Yay, I have one shawarma.
I want the receipt because...
And also karakte. Thank
Oh,
you.
Thank you.
May bonus pa kaming 1 BD. We'll buy Karakti 100 pills.
And shawarma,
Shawarma.
350 pills.
Yeah. Miskin. Natawa na lang yung bata, oy.
Dami-dami ang gold naman.
Ay, ang daming gold. Pagkatapos, nangingi ng ano.
Shawarma.
So, yung isang gram ngayon, ano na, 50
Can I see
BD.
the receipt?
Yeah, 1 gram is 50 BD now. 2 grams is 100. That is 5.
ఇది రెండు అనుమానం.
Ayan na. Tapos na si madam ko, oy.
ఓకే
Yan na.
Maglakad na tayo, Amy, oy.
Maglagay
Wala tayo. Wala ng pera. Okay. Eh, may shawarma kami.
Yay.
Thank you. Next time again,
Next
ah.
time again. Which one you want?
నెక్స్ట్ టైం అగైన్ షవర్మా.
Ha?
Next time you want shawarma, we will bring shawarma.
Yeah.
Ano naman ang susunod mo? No, I want the bracelet. No, next time. Not now. We don't have time.
ఓకే
Doon. Wala naman yung bracelet namin, eh.
Yung bracelet na gusto ko yung parang leaves.
No, you don't have like this. See? Sige na, Amy. We don't have time. We're going back home. Next time again.
We'll come back next time.
Yeah. May pendant. I've been like the same in the one that I buy here before. Wala na, Amy. Okay, next time we're in hurry. Yeah, the same like that. But yeah, the same like that. Yes, small. Yeah. But anyway, we're going. Okay, Bea, thank you.
We'll come back. Maybe next month.
Tapos na kami, oy. May 1 BD kami. Ay, nandito pala yung isang ano mo.
Dito yun.
May 1 BD kami, pambili namin ng shawarma.
Ay, dito ang exit.
Oo. So, uwi na naman kami. Yan lang. Mabuti pa si Amy. Mayroong ano nga ba? Mayroong bonus. Ako wala. Ha? No, I don't need that. I need boyfriend only.
You need what?
Ha?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Are you available?
No.
No. Only boyfriend, not husband.
Maybe there is 2 guys available.
2 guys? The same like you?
Yeah.
Handsome?
Yeah, maybe better than.
Oh.
Let's go.
Hindi yan. Ay, nakabidyo pala ito.
Kasi no, pag ganito tira yung binili ni Remo, ganyan no? Saan? Ganito oh.
Yung my pearl.
Oo, may pearl.
Ayaw ko niyan, Amy. Oy.
Ganyan ang binili ni ano kay Remo. Cute din kay Nopa. Cute din.
Ayaw ko niyan.
Mura lang yan, bilaw na ganyan, pang every, pang araw-araw.
Ha? Sorry? Casio? No. We don't wear watch. We wear gold. Tama. Ah, yes? I'm okay. How are you?
Check something.
Nice meeting you. What
Check something.
Huh?
Mas mura dito.
Mas mura
Special
dyan?
discount. Yes, ever stay dito.
We go another version.
Same thing. Yes, come.
Huh? No, we are looking for something.
Want something? You
We're
just
looking
come.
for boyfriend.
No problem. More discount, more
Huh?
price.
Mura
Yes,
dito?
sincere buy here.
No,
This
we
no.
buy there another.
No, you just check no.
But yeah, I buy this one,
Super
no?
discount. As it here. Eddie, here more discount. No.
It's there in other
Keep
branch.
price here.
In another branch.
Babarodi.
Ito, sinsan din natin.
When you bought today?
Huh?
Eddie, when you bought that one today?
No, last month. Go in other Evershine in Babarain.
Babel Baran.
Yeah.
There is two good
Huh?
price.
Good price here. That is not your branch.
Not same branch.
Yeah. But the same as, but you know what? You know what? You are more handsome here. Yala, we're in hurry. Sorry.
Mafi?
Nothing, nothing.
I think I like you.
Just take one necklace of yours.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, we'll come back next time. Wala kasi silang benta eh.
Kasi ang benta. Paano naman?
Sana all mayroong engagement ring.
Okay, labas na kami.
Ang daming namimili dito ng gold, puro pana.
Kasi paano mahilig sa gold?
Oo. Uy, ala, oy. Imi. Ala, oy. Ala, oy. Ala, oy. Ang sarap mukbangin.
Loy. Pogi mo, Loy.
Naloy, may nakita kaming afam dito, ang pogi.
Naku, kids rin pa yun, dire.
Uy, ang sarap nga. Sarap mukbangin. Tapos nakaganito ka, naka-live, naka-view ka pa. Hindi, biro lang namin yun. Ako na-stress na nga. Ayun, patapos na kami. No. She have boyfriend ba ya? Hindi ah.
Ganun lang kayo magbiro ni Tere.
Oh, isa taon mo, Imi, oh.
Hindi mo ako sasagad dyan sa isa taon.
Ah, hindi pala. Ay, hindi pala. Ripa ka pala.
Pero
Hello.
anong number yan?
A1. Yeah. Maya.
A1.
A1. Hindi pala siya maano. Dito. Okay, bye-bye muna ha.